My judge here.
Great to see you. What's new?
Welcome back, guys. Today we're diving into a gripping courtroom moment with Judge Fleischer, where emotions run high as a sexual assault case takes a surprising turn. The charge has been reduced from a felony to a misdemeanor, but the victim, joining via Zoom, delivers a powerful impact statement that could change everything. Will her voice sway the court, or will the plea deal stand? Stick around to see how.
Right away, notice how the judge insists the victim must be heard, even if she's only on Zoom. That's huge because, in many plea deals, the victim's voice can feel sidelined. Do you think the judge is being fair here, or is he slowing down justice?
If they want to make a victim impact statement, then I want them here and we'll do it all together at the same time because I want that person heard as well. It's only fair. So
They were unable to make it today. They had notice about today's court date.
fine, we'll set it for whatever day you want. Do you want to reach out to them to see what day is good for them and then we can do it? I mean, take your time. There's no rush.
Judge,
Really.
if I may, this case is 3 years old. We've had 7 trial settings. We finally resolved it to today, and then she can't come on the day of trial.
I don't know, Joe. I'm just.
That's what I'm saying. I'm letting the court know. I think that's kind of unfair to
See
my
if they can
client.
Zoom, because I have Zoom.
We could ask her. I don't know if she has that ability.
You want to see? Can you stand down for a bit?
I'm sorry.
Just stand down to see if she's available to
She
Zoom.
is okay with someone from our office reading it in her place, if the court's okay with that.
It's the whole purpose. No, can you reach out to her real quick and just see? I know you're in the home stretch, Jim. I mean, I know you've gotten a great deal here. They're reducing it to a misdemeanor, getting on it deferred. So just give me 5 minutes. Let me see if they can do it. So, guys, please keep it down. If you need to talk, go outside. We have someone that's going to testify here on Zoom. No talking. Mr. Echevarria, can you hear me? So,
Oh, hello. Can you hear me?
yes, I can hear you.
Okay.
Okay, give me 1 second, ma'am. Give me 1 second. So procedurally, with this case, Joe, he gets charged with a sexual assault upstairs, or he's on bond for a sexual assault,
Come on.
and then he picks up an indecent.
No. Plea bargain down to a Class A indecent assault.
The felony court does not do misdemeanor probations, so we had to refile that as a misdemeanor. That's what the plea deal was, essentially.
So it was a reduction to a misdemeanor,
Correct.
indecent assault,
Correct.
to a 2-year defer.
Correct.
Okay. So let's do ma'am, what I was going to do is do the plea first and then have you say something after the fact, if that's okay. Are you okay with that?
Only if it's not allowed for me to speak first prior to the plea, then of course, yes, it's okay to speak
If you want to
afterwards.
speak first, then you're welcome to. Is there
Okay.
something that you wanted to say?
Well, I wanted to read my victim impact statement.
Please do. You're welcome to do it.
Okay, thank you. Um, okay, so I'm writing this statement to share how this experience has continued to affect me long after that night. There may be times where I actually need to take a moment to breathe, actually. Just wanted to go ahead and say that first. When I first submitted this statement, I was overwhelmed. I was still in emotional shock and unsure of what to say and how to say it. I've since come to understand the importance of expressing clearly, not just what happened, but how it impacted every part of my life. This event has completely changed me. I wake up with anxiety. I experience episodes of fear, confusion as to why I did not run, and constantly feel a loss of trust, not just in people, but in places I once felt safe and in myself. Every day I'm reminded of what I've lost. I lost peace of mind. I lost the ability to work without panic, the ease of everyday interactions. Every day I'm reminded of how I got taken advantage of and didn't react as I felt I would have in a moment like this.
Wow. This is where the emotional weight really hits. The victim isn't just describing the incident, she's showing us how trauma lingers for years, reshaping her daily life. Question for you: should prosecutors ever push for plea deals without giving survivors more time to revise their statements?
Experience still to this day, 2 years later. At the time of my first statement, I didn't have access to important documents, which are records that might have helped me explain myself more clearly within these 2 years. Since then, I've started the process of requesting my full case file from multiple agencies, medical records, and forensic testing. I have not received those as of today just yet, but I know those documents all exist. It's been over 2 years, and this case has been reset multiple times. A new prosecutor was also assigned only days before this plea was suddenly brought to me. The rapid timeline did not allow me to revise my statement or consult with anyone about how this offer would impact my rights as a survivor or my potential ability to seek justice outside of this criminal court. This statement is not about vengeance. It's about the truth. It's about my healing. It's about ensuring my voice is heard in a process that often feels designed to just move forward without it. Every day since this assault, I've struggled with anxiety, flashbacks, and trust issues that have reshaped how I live my daily life. I still cry regularly from this incident. I still shut down. I still replay everything from the pressure, the coercion, the force, the aftermath of where I try to survive it all without falling apart. And yet I still feel like I have to justify why it broke me. This wasn't just a violation of my body. It shattered my trust, my sleep, my ability to feel safe in my own skin. I've spent nights replaying what happened, and the fear and the disgust and the betrayal. What was taken from me was not just physical, it was psychological and it was spiritual. I'm a hairstylist, and my career is built on one-on-one trust with my clients. Since this happened, I felt constantly on edge with male clients. I find myself backing away from simple interactions. I've lost my income. I've lost my confidence and my own safety in my own body. The job I once had, I lost due to being completely disconnected from my mind and my body. I now know that this man was on deferred adjudication and had a breathalyzer in that car. And yet that night he took his mother's car and drank heavily and violated me when I was in and out of consciousness. The defendant slapped my face during intercourse and violated me. His third time assaulting me that same exact night without consent. I remember him begging me again and again, and I kept saying no. But I couldn't get up. I pushed him away off of me again and again. That is not consent. Me freezing up was fear. That was survival mode that I was going into. And Your Honor, I ask that you consider what kind of system lets someone walk away with that and just probation. Even after all of this, I still had to let him drive me home the next day and bought me a Plan B pill. The defense says I had chances to leave, but how do you leave when your body and your brain have been hijacked by fear? The prosecutor told me that juries don't like women and that they don't believe us, and that broke me more than anything. I was told I could be blamed at trial for going to the bar or for texting him afterwards, as if trauma survivors don't respond in ways that help them stay alive. That's why I'm asking you now to please understand that this proposed plea is not justice.
Then I'm not going to take it. I'm not taking it, Joe. I'm not doing it.
Sorry.
I
Just
have
because you
more.
spoke first?
Oh, I mean, I don't know. All I know is that we have a powerful victim impact statement here. We have a sexual assault being reduced to a misdemeanor, 2-year deferred.
Correct.
Apparently, no one's consulted her regarding this thing, see whether they.
We have been in extensive communication with her this past.
No, sir. No, sir. I
About the
barely
reasons
spoke to you
for-
a couple of days ago, sir. I didn't even know you were on my case until Tuesday or Monday it was Tuesday when you first called me. I didn't even know Missy was not on my case anymore. And she gave me the confidence that this would go to trial. She believed we had a very strong case to bring this to trial. She didn't have any doubts in this case at all. And I meet Gabe just this Tuesday. And it's rushed into this plea without even without even discussing with me.
Okay. Thank you, Ms. Echevarria. I appreciate your testimony.
I really appreciate your honor letting me speak before you accepted this plea.
Absolutely. And I'm glad that you were here to speak, get everything off your chest.
Yes.
Anything you need, we're here for you, Ms. Echevarria.
I really appreciate that, Your Honor. Thank you for letting me get on Zoom, even though I could not physically be there.
Here's the turning point. The judge accepts the deal but adds, 30 days of jail time is a condition. It might not sound like much, but legally it's a bold move. He's balancing the plea bargain with accountability. What do you think? Was 30 days enough?
She spoke first, now she's gonna bust the deal?
She's not busting anything. I mean,
I'm the victim. I am the victim. How do you even
Please.
speak about? Sorry.
please,
Yes,
it's
Your
okay.
Honor.
He's been coming to every court date. We've been set for trial 7 times. We're actually set for trial this morning.
In the district court.
I'm sorry,
In the district court.
in felony district court.
I get it. She feels like, one of the things that we need to take into account, is I'm not going to do it without 30 days as a condition. I'm sorry, Joe. So you guys can talk or we can set up a trial. It's your decision, Mr.
You do home confinement?
Home confinement? No. That's a gift. No.